guys, and welcome to the channel once again. And in this video I'll be making things short and precise for you. Okay, so if you want to withdraw your docs token to OKX, this is a video guide for you. Okay, so if you will be withdrawing to Bybit or any other exchange, I have a video on all of that. Just subscribe to the channel and then check the channel. You will find a video that will suit you. Okay, so this particular video is for those of you who will be withdrawing your docs token to OKX. Okay, so when you get to your OKX account, simply click on deposit. So let's wait, it's loading. Okay, now here you search for docs, DOGS, docs, and here's the docs token. Okay, so just click on it and then click on docs ton, click OK. So here, note this. Okay, this is what you have to note. This is your deposit address and this is your memo or tag. Okay, remember you will be using these two for a successful withdrawal. If you copy your deposit address and then you leave the comment, if you don't add the comment, you are not going to receive your tokens. So watch the steps very closely. So first of all, let me copy my deposit address. So let me click on copy right here. So this is the copy symbol. Okay, so just click on that to copy, and then let's open our docs dashboard. Okay, so here we are. So let's click on deposit to exchange, deposits to exchanges. Okay, so you click on that, and then here you click on continue, and here we are withdrawing to OKX, so we have to select OKX, and OKX is already selected. So let's click on send here, and let's click on yes, I have it. Here it says OKX deposit. Add your deposit address, UID, and memo to receive docs. So you have to do three things. Okay, three major things. So first of all, you have to add your OKX UID. If you don't know this, I will show you where to get it. Okay, so don't worry. And then you have to paste your docs address right here. Okay, in the second space. So we have copied our deposit address, so let's paste that right here where it reads docs deposit address. Okay, so let's click on deposit docs address. Okay, so you click on that, and then here we will paste the deposit address we copied from our OKX account. So I click here to paste it, and then let's go back to let's go back to our OKX and then copy the comment or the tag. So let me click on copy, go back to your docs dashboard, and then you click here memo. Remember, you paste it here. Okay, so you click here and then you paste what you just copied. Now it is left with our OKX UID, this one. Okay, so let's go back into our OKX account and get that too. So let's go back. We are in our OKX account. Let's go back, and then let's click here. Okay, let's click on this menu thing right here. Okay, so you click on that, and here you find your name here, and then yes, so you just have to click on your name. As you can see, there is an arrow here. Okay, so you just have to click on that, and then you wait for it to load, and here you will see your OKX UID. Okay, that is user ID. So this is it. So you just click on copy to copy that also, and then go back to your docs dashboard and paste that here. Okay, so now we are done with everything we need to do here. So this is checked, this is also checked, and this is also checked. Make sure you complete all this, and after you are done with that, you click on send, and it says confirm withdrawal of 66,000 docs. Okay, and here you have to cross check if everything is intact, if everything is correct. Okay, because if you miss a thing, you will not receive your tokens. So let's go ahead and read the instructions here. It says you may lose your tokens if this UID, wallet address, or memo are incorrect, blocked, or doesn't exist. KYC passed only. Exchanges require to verify your identity before trading. So make sure your OKX account is also verified, okay, before you do this, else you will not receive your tokens. Okay, so let's click on I confirm. So click on that, I confirm, and it says deposit is in progress. Wow. And it continues to say now be ready for the listing on 20th August or August 20th. So when you are done with everything, you click on woof, and all is that. This is how you can withdraw your docs token to your OKX account. Now you have to give it some time to reflect in your OKX account. Okay, you have to give it some time. You have to give it days. Okay, it can take days. You know, you have like 3 days before the listing. So in that period, you definitely receive your token before 20th. Okay, so that's that. Thank you so much for watching this video, and subscribe to the channel if you have not done so, and like this video, share it to others to also benefit from the good news. Okay, see you in my next episode. Bye bye.